concept of angle in a semicircle. A semicircle is a region in a circle which is formed with the diameter. That means if we have a circle with center O and we have a diameter AB, then the arc AB is the semicircle, or we can say the region formed with the diameter is a semicircle. Now whenever we draw an angle in the semicircle, that means the diameter making an angle with the circumference. That means from A, if we draw an angle like this, let it meet the circumference at C. So we have to, this is the angle in the semicircle. That means the angle which the diameter makes on the circumference of a circle. And we have to prove that this angle is equal to 90 degree. That means the diameter makes an angle of 90 degree on the circumference of a circle. For this, let us try to prove the concept. AB is a diameter to a circle. To prove angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. For this, the proof will be, we know that the angle at the center is double the angle at the circumference. That means if we have a chord makes an angle at the center which is double to the angle at the circumference. In the earlier video, we have proved that the angle at the center is double the angle at the circumference. You can refer that video if you want to clarify the concept. Now we know that the angle at the chord makes an angle at the center which is double the angle at the circumference, and AB is a chord. Now the angle made by AB at center. As we know, AB is the diameter, so it is a straight line, or we can say the angle AOB is the angle made by AB at the center, and it will be equal to 180 degree because we know that AOB is a straight line. Now angle ACB will be half of angle AOB because ACB is the angle made by the chord AB at the circumference, and we know that the angle at the circumference is half the angle at the center. So angle ACB is half of angle AOB, or we can say half of 180 degree. That means it will be equal to 90 degree. Hence we can say that the diameter makes an angle of 90 degree at the circumference of a circle. Now let us apply the concept of the angle in the semicircle. We are given a question that in a circle AB is the diameter and angle B is equal to 30 degree, and we are supposed to find the value of angle A. Now we know that the angle in the diameter makes an angle of 90 degree on the circumference, or we can say the angle in the semicircle is 90 degree. So we can say therefore angle ACB is equal to 90 degree, and angle CBA is 30 degree. It has been given to us. Angle in the semicircle. So now angle ACB is 90 degree because it is the angle in the semicircle, and angle CBA is equal to 30 degree. It has been given to us. Now in triangle ACB, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property. Now we know that angle A and angle B is 30 degree and angle C is 90 degree, because we know that angle C is the angle at the in the semicircle. It is 90 degree and it will be equal to 180 degree, or we can say angle A plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle A is equal to 180 minus 120 degree, that is 60 degree. So we can say that angle A is equal to 60 degree. So this is how we can apply the concept of angle in a semicircle, because we were given that AB is the diameter. So the diameter will make an angle at the diameter will make an angle of 90 degree with the circumference. Therefore angle C is 90 degree. Now angle B is 30, angle C is 90. Now taking the angle sum property for the triangle ABC, we can find that A plus B plus C will be equal to 180 degree. Then we substitute the value of B and C as 30 and 90, and we found the value of A to be 60 degree. So this is how we can apply the concept of angle in the semicircle.